Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to autoplay background music to Wix website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Wix, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Auto-playing background music on a Wix website can create a more immersive and engaging user experience. But it's a feature that should be used thoughtfully because not everyone likes, an audio when they visit a specific website. Of course, you need to avoid negatively impacting your visitors who does not want unexpected audio. Now, you have to realize that music, of course, can complement the content of your sites because for certain types of websites, such as those related to arts, music, of course, entertainment, film, background music can create a more immersive environment that draws visitors in. Now, there are multiple ways for you to add a music background here or to play background in your music. Number one is simply go to the add elements at the upper right corner. And you have an option to click on the search bar here and type in mini players. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is put in the mini players here. All right, and of course you have a lot of options at the at this mini player, because now once you have added the mini player, you see you have multiple options here. You can change the track. You can choose audio from one track, from an external MP3, and that's going to be an option where you can upload the track on your computer. Let's see what's our options here. When you click on this upload track, you see you have an option to upload media. You can drag and drop the file. Of course, you can locate to your directory on your local computer where the musics are. Of course, just add the track. You can also create a new folder for you to be able to loop or autoplay the background music to your Wix website. Now, the thing is, you can also choose the external MP3. You can add what's the URL for this track. For example, you are listening to a specific music from, let's say, maybe Spotify or SoundCloud. Now, for example, I went here on my Spotify list. Okay, so I'm gonna choose maybe this one from 50 Cent. All I'm gonna do is, for example, I'm gonna right click on a specific track. Okay, and I'm gonna click on the copy song link or embed a track. Let's try the copy song link, and then switching over to the Wix website. Now, once you've switched over to your Wix website builder, go to the add URL, and I'm gonna paste the copied URL track from the Spotify. Right now, you can of course change the name of a track name. Let's see if it's playing. Yeah, it is playing. You can't hear it now, but it's playing. Now again, let's go to settings again. You see, of course, you can edit the artist name. For example, that's gonna be Andy's Guides. Track name is like maybe and you also have the option at the bottom where it says playback options is going to be play and loop. All right, but of course you have, if you're putting in some music here, you want to make sure that you already paid for the subscription to avoid any copyright tracks, especially for example the website is live and if it's a commercial. But in our case, the song wasn't gonna be used for anything like that because this website is just for training purposes. All right, so I just wanted you to make very, very clear on that you have to check the copyright license for specific tracks if you wanted to use the track for your website. Okay, now after that, you can also choose an image here. If you wanted for the artist that you wanted, I'm gonna choosing this one. Click on that, and that's gonna be the autoplay track here. You see, you can put it anywhere here inside the website builder, maybe around here, so it's not distracting. Now it's been auto playing, right? But of course, make sure that you have an active and stable internet connection because that requires a lot. So it consumes a lot of bandwidth data, right? Now the next option that you can do is go to add elements again. Now the next option is go again to the add elements at the upper right corner and go to the embed in social. I need you to go to the embed code or embed custom code right here. You can display content by adding HTML code. I want you to click the plus button because the thing is, if you need more control over the autoplay behavior, such as delaying the start of the music or creating more complex playback scenarios, you can embed custom HTML code using the embed element in Wix, all right? And again, it's the same process. All I'm going to do is just go to your favorite songs, any random songs here on Spotify. Make sure you are subscribed to the premium plan. Make sure the licenses agreement will allow you to put it on your website. All right, that's very, very clear. I just wanted to make it sure that you're not going to be dealing with any license problems or copyright license problem. But this is just for trading purposes. All right. All I'm going to do is click on the embed track. So you can choose any color that you wanted. Maybe for now red. You can also show code right here. You can copy that, the entire thing, or just do not show the code. Just click on copy. All right, and then switch over to your web Wix builder. Now once you are here, you see there's gonna be a small pop-up window that says enter a code. All I'm gonna do is add your code here. You will be asked what do you want to add. Not obviously that's gonna be not a website address but a code. All I'm gonna do is click that code, click on update, and that's gonna be how you one of the two methods on adding an autoplay background music in Wix website. The thing is, adding autoplay background music can make your website stand out from others, providing a unique experience that your visitors might remember, right? For certain websites such as, that wanted to promote an event, concert, or party, background music can give visitors a taste of what to expect, helping to build excitement. Or for landing pages, special promotions, autoplay music can help convey the theme or purpose of the page quickly, whether it's a holiday sale or a photographer's designer's website. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.